Hello and welcome to Marketing Strategy X. In today's video, we're talking about how to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-time online business, there are plenty of opportunities out there to earn some extra cash. 1. Sell products or services on a platform like Etsy or eBay. 2. Offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. 3. Create and sell an online course on a platform like Udemy or Teachable. 4. Monetize your blog or YouTube channel through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 5. Buy and sell domain names for a profit. 6. Participate in paid surveys and focus groups. 7. Become a virtual assistant or social media manager. 8. Rent out your spare room on Airbnb. 9. Invest in cryptocurrency or stocks. 10. Start a dropshipping business using a platform like Shopify. There are many ways to make money online in 2023. And the opportunities are constantly evolving. The key is to find something that you enjoy doing and that aligns with your skills and interests. With a little bit of hard work and dedication, you can turn your online ventures into a successful and lucrative business. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online.